In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file in Hotmail, MSN, or Outlook Mail. This is an essential skill for anyone using email regularly, as it allows you to share documents, photos, and other types of files with just a few clicks. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. If you're already logged in, you may be automatically redirected to your inbox. If not, you'll see a sign-in screen. Click on the sign-in button, which will prompt you to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials for your account to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Outlook home screen. This is your central hub for all email activities. Look for the New Mail button, typically located in the upper left corner of the screen. Clicking this will open a new email message window where you can start composing your email. With your new email window open, you'll notice various options at the top, including the Attach a File button. Click on this button to begin the process of attaching a file to your email. This action will open a file picker or file explorer window, depending on your operating system, allowing you to browse your computer for the file you wish to attach. Navigate through your files and select the specific file you want to attach. Simply click on the file to highlight it and then click the Open button in the dialog box. Your chosen file will begin uploading to the email, and you should see the file name appear beneath the Attach a File button once the upload is complete. It's important to note that while most file types can be attached and sent through email, some might be restricted due to size limits or security settings. If you encounter any issues, consider compressing the file or uploading it to a cloud service like OneDrive and sharing the link instead. After you've successfully attached your file, finish composing your email as usual. Remember to enter the recipient's email address, a clear subject line, and any message content you wish to include. Once you've double-checked everything for accuracy, click the Send button to deliver your email along with the attachment. Attaching a file in Outlook Mail, Hotmail, or MSN is a straightforward process once you know where to click. Whether you're sending a document for work or sharing photos with friends, the ability to attach files makes email a versatile tool for communication. With practice, this process will become quick and intuitive, helping you manage your emails efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.